Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chan and I went to Primark again and I would like to show you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So Primark do have a lot of nice new jewelry, so I got a lot of new nice jewelry. And I'm starting with this set right here. It's a necklace and like earring kind of set. I paid €3 for it and it's like the sweetest thing ever because it's like so fine and so cute. It has got like cute hearts on it, and I think it does look so much more expensive than €3. Next I got some cute winter or like Christmas themed ankle socks, and it's like 2 pairs of socks and they're literally the softest thing ever. Like only like partly, like this part is super soft and then this part right here up here, the sock is like regular. It comes in this cute like black kind of sock, and then you have like a green one as well, and it says like ho 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 on both of them. And I just think this was super cute, so I picked this for €3 again. Next I picked this tablecloth right here. This is for my mom actually because she loves red, and I thought this would look super cute for like the kitchen table kind of. And yeah, it was for €8 and this red is super gorgeous and also super festive. Next I picked this like hoodie kind of with a zip on it, and it's red and it's super simple, and I actually picked this from the men's section because I prefer like the men hoodies more than like the women ones that they sell, just because like the length is like so much longer and like prettier, and it looks like so much comfier on like lazy kind of days. And I think even if you put on something sweet, something cute, something fancy and put this on, it just looks like effortless and sweet, I guess. So yeah, I picked this one in red as well, and this did cost me €11. This was actually the only clothing item that I picked this time, because like they didn't have anything new at Primark that I didn't own already or that I felt like the need of getting or like buying. So this was literally the only clothing item that I got. But now moving on to jewelry again. I picked this cute set right here. It's an 8-pack of like wristbands kind of, and they are like rose gold and super tiny and super sweet. I used to buy these like all the time. I haven't picked any in the last few years, so I thought of buying a new one, and yeah, super sweet. But unfortunately this one I lost a like rhinestone already, which is sad. Next I picked this set right here, and these are actually just clips for your hair and also like scarves and stuff like that, or to pop on jackets or something like that. And I bought for €3 as well. Like everything costs €3 in Primark, as you can see. I think this was an amazing price for something unique, and I think if you put this on something basic, it will make the whole look like complete and give it like a touch of something special, and also it will make your outfit look such more expensive. And next I picked this baby right here. It cost me €3 again. And it's just golden, and it's a wristband as again. It's got like a lot of charms on it, like an eye, half moon, a stone, and that kind of stuff, or a star as well. And I thought this would look super sweet during the winter time, because I'm actually a silver kind of person. But as you can see, I picked silver, gold and rose gold in this haul, so I'm super open for something new. I picked this hygienic kind of gel because I was so curious about it. It said candy cane on it, and I'm just going to open it to see. And yeah, it smells pretty fine. Like, it smells sweet, and oh, it also says with skin moisture in it. Yeah, that's pretty cool because most of the time, like, these hygienic kind of gels keep drying my hands out, and I don't like the feeling of like dry hands, so this is pretty cool. I'm going to pop this in my bag, I guess. I thought it would look super cute in it. It did cost me $150, which is a good price for that, I guess. There wouldn't be a Primark haul without like picking something Harry Potter themed, so I picked this Slytherin themed tie right here. It's so sweet, isn't it? Like, I thought I would use this for Halloween, but I'm going to be at that Snow White now, so I won't be using this, but maybe on my Instagram on some pictures if I'm reading like a Harry Potter book or something like that. I thought this would look super sweet and I wanted to pick it, even if I'm not going to wear it or something like that. I still wanted it for €4, and I think online you pay so much more for all this Harry Potter merch kind of stuff. And ooh, looks like my hair is short, but it's not, you guys. It's not. I didn't cut it at all, but it looks kind of short, right? Oh my gosh, you guys. Primark came up with new eyelashes, and I am literally obsessed with them. Because, like, can we talk about them? Like, can we, like, please discuss these gorgeous eyelashes, because I'm crying literally. So the GWA did cost me $350 as always. Most of the time I try to avoid buying them because, like, I do have a lot of lashes and I don't need that new ones. But if I buy lashes at Primark, then most of the time I buy the GWA ones because they are literally the best. And I also bought the regular ones from Primark because they are only $150, and that's a real bargain, you girls. Like, it really is. And they are the exaggerate, do you see it like that? I don't know. Lashes, and they look super long, and I love that, like, the band is clear. You guys, if this is going to look great, then I think I'm going to buy like 10 packs of them because they are gorgeous. And the GWA ones are the mystical ones this time. The mermaid kind of edition, which is cool. I love mermaids so much. And the other ones that I had were like always unicorn theme, I guess. I don't know, I can't remember, but they were pretty as well. They are like so long and so pretty, and we want to try them out. Okay guys, so that was basically everything that I got from Primark this time. Maybe next month I will buy like more clothing pieces, but I did spend a lot of money for clothing at Primark already during the past few months, so I didn't feel the need of buying new clothes. And yeah, that was basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!